As photographers, it's very easy for us to get comfortable shooting one specific thing. Whether that's weddings, sports photography, or commercial photography, we all kind of develop a niche and get really good at it. The hardest thing is jumping from one type of photography to another. So today is going to be full of a whole bunch of uncomfortable moments, and hopefully it's not too uncomfortable. One being because I've never shot inside of a formal studio setting. And the second thing, well, let me just show you. Today, I'm visiting Neon Demon Studio with not one, not two, but 5 of my photographer friends. We're doing a 1-minute photo challenge where each photographer gets 1 minute to take the perfect photo. For some of the photographers, it's their first time working with Neon, while others, it'll be an opportunity to test both new gear and new techniques. We're all gonna shoot the same thing, and we're gonna edit and show you the results, and you guys can comment which one is your favorite. And of course, we need a model, the wonderful
Jessica Mokan.
Skilled, talented. So she's just gonna pose it up because she's a boss.
Girl boss.
Whatever.
You already know.
Because each photographer only has 1 minute, you'll get to see how they work in a studio setting from start to finish. First up is my friend Stefano. Oh, that's it. Timer is up.
Damn.
All right.
Okay.
They look pretty good.
That's it.
You're next.
All right, cool.
You're next.
Tony's gonna get 2 sides of this.
He's gonna get his 100 megapixels.
Let me know when you are ready. Okay, go.
All right, Jessica, give me some attitude, pose. Just give me like that. I'm not gonna get you here looking at the camera. Yeah. And then have you sitting. And then move forward like this. There you go. There you go. That's it. And you make love to the camera. Chin up like that. There you go. And then right here, have you sit down. And then, can I be facing the light? The other way? This way. There we go. And then one more. 1, 2, 3. I'm done.
Bang! Awesome. Killed it. All right. And here's my friend Alex.
Hello.
So we're gonna do a photo challenge. Are you in for it?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, Alex is doing her prep. Are you ready? I will start the timer when you're ready.
All right.
All right,
I'm
you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. Go. And then widen. And then line down and arm like sprawled out like that. Back, arm further.
30 seconds.
And then over here, behind the and on the speaker.
5, 4, 3. Time's up. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Pretty good?
I'm
I
confident.
think you did pretty good. Extreme photography! Now I've got 1 minute. I'm gonna run around and get as many photos as I can, pick my favorite of Jessica here. Are we ready?
We're ready to
In
go.
my hand. Let's do this.
And go.
Okay, so you need to straight on. I get you to like sprawl out, legs crossed. Arms like straight out. Nice, you angle your pants in a little bit. Okay, so look at me.
What's the timer at? 30 seconds, Anthony. Damn, he's switching lenses. You doing them all on the couch?
Yes, perfect. Okay, let's go over the booth.
Good luck, buddy.
All right, get in the booth.
Damn, he sprayed it too.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No!
I got one.
I got one there.
Done.
That's extreme. That was really extreme. Don't tell Stefano, but I think I might have won with the one on the couch.
Damn.
We've got a
anywhere.
last minute edition.
I can run around.
I don't have your Instagram. Eunice is.
Unicornat is my IG. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing McKinnon glasses.
Are
yeah.
you?
Yeah. So
Tell me when you're ready, and we will begin the timer. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Timer begins now.
Can I go on top of you? Okay.
Woo.
Nice. Okay. Put your can I touch you? Nice. That's pretty interesting. Yeah. Okay. I put your glasses on.
30 seconds left.
And then on the other side. Yeah. Sit down. Yeah.
You got 10 seconds.
And like, yeah, this looks really cool. I didn't think it looked that.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Time's up. Good job. I think you nailed it. I think that
Yeah, I
one with the
nailed it.
hand. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Totally loving that one with the hand there. Introduce yourself.
Hey guys, I'm Kari Safari, also known as the Dancing Photographer. What up?
Instagram.
The Dancing Photographer.
Are you on TikTok?
I'm on TikTok.
As
Kari Safari.
Kari Safari. There you go.
I'm almost ready.
Almost
we're
ready?
We're just gonna wait for the model to be ready. I don't know who she is.
Oh, we're.
I think
Hi.
I'm sensing some winning
I'm-
energy.
It's really nice to
I'm
meet
Kari.
you.
So baby, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by jumping off the couch, okay? Test shot.
Man's doing some test shots.
Okay, ready, guys?
Okay, I'm beginning the counter.
Let's do it. Not yet.
Go.
Jump off.
Oh my
One
gosh.
more time, okay, babe?
Oh my gosh.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. Right to your head and lean up. And now, you gotta
Killing
leave
it.
the booth, but you can't leave the booth because you're connected. You're connected. Your call is connected, okay? Say that. Okay, cool.
You got
Actually, you're gonna stay right here.
about 10 seconds left. Five,
Any pose you want, babe. Any pose you want.
3, 2, 1.
How do you feel? I feel like I have no idea what my photos look like. Did not test my settings beforehand, and I'm excited to see these, but it was fun, and that's all that matters.
Okay, that was like super intense. I think I got the least amount of photos and I'm just like super sweating. I know everyone else killed it, especially with those jumping couch photos. Stefano, how did you feel?
I feel good. I feel like I got enough photos. I'm pretty happy with it.
For me, this is totally out of my comfort zone. Shooting in the studio and then shooting portraits, like I never do that. I'm the forest photography, urban landscape photography. This was like super challenging for me.
The most challenging is like the lights with the neon signs. I shoot portraits, but not neon portraits.
Jessica, you killed it with the modeling,
you.
with all our crazy direction.
You guys killed it. You guys really killed
Let's
it.
go around.
You guys did amazing. This running around, enthusiasm, quick. I can't wait to see the shots.
Do
I
you
know they're gonna be
have
awesome.
a favorite shot?
I think my favorite, not my favorite, this guy running around with the light.
This guy running around with the lights?
This guy running around with the light might have been the worst photographer I've ever had, but you know.
The energy in the room. What's the TikTok? The energy in this bus or something?
Is astronomical.
Something like that. I don't know. Anyways, I am a total noob when it comes to studio shooting. Some of these guys really know what they're doing. So definitely go check out their Instagrams because I am really excited to see these
Plot
photos.
twist, Jessica won the photo challenge.
Plot twist, Jessica's the winner. And that's it from us. All the photos will be on the screen. If you want to vote on them, leave your comments. Everyone's Instagram is here, so go and check them out. Some super sweet Toronto area photographers, and it was super fun shooting with them. That's it for me. I will see you in the next one. You want in on this photo challenge? Are you too famous for us?
Am I too famous?
Are you too famous?
I'm not too famous.
You want to do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
You ready? I'm ready. Let's do this.
What's this?
It's just called shoot the model.